Today we're going to talk about some additional properties that are going to help us when we're solving expressions, and even further down the line whenever we get into systems of equations and solving equations in our algebra class. So here you have three properties listed here, and go ahead and take a look at it. This is at the top of your notes. Next, we have the reflexive property. For the reflexive property, I want you to go ahead and copy down these examples of reflexivity. 2 equals 2, x equals x, 5 plus 4 equals 5 plus 4, x plus 2 equals x plus 2. You might say, well, yeah, I know this, but believe it or not, this is going to be a big deal further on down the line. Next, we have the symmetric property, and the symmetric property and the commutative property are similar, very similar. As a matter of fact, the examples of the symmetric property are 5 plus 4 equals 4 plus 5, x plus 2 equals 2 plus x. Notice how the numbers are listed in reverse order. It is a reflection. But also you can see how it's used over here. 7 equals x plus 3, x plus 3 equals 7. So you can look at it that way as well. Next, we have the transitive property. And this one's going to be pretty important as well. And our examples are, if 0.5 equals 1/2 and 1/2 equals 2/4, therefore 0.5 equals 2/4. These are basic examples, and you may be sitting there going, do I really need to know a property for this? And believe it or not, like I said, further on down the line, these three properties are important. Now I want you to go ahead and add an additional property on the bottom of that front page of your notes. And let's go ahead and include the substitution property. A quantity may be substituted for its equal in any expression. So if A equals B, then A may be replaced by B in any expression. Or if N equals 11, then 4N equals 4 times 11. Another way of looking at it is substituting like this. 6 times 5 can be substituted for its value of 30. And that's also the substitution property as well. So let's go ahead, and on the back of your notes, let's take a look at a couple of examples. We have this couple of expressions that we're trying to simplify. So the first one says 2 times 3 plus the quantity, 4 times 2 minus 8. 4 times 2 is changed to 8, and that's going to lead us straight to the substitution property. Then we're using 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is the inverse property of addition or additive inverse. It can be said either way. Then we have 2 times 3 changing to 6. So 6 is a substitution for 2 times 3. And then finally, 6 plus 0, that's the additive identity, or the identity property of addition. And so if you would, go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and write these properties on the lines that are provided in your notes. If you would, please, go ahead and try the second example on your own. We will go over it in class. Thank you.